Hey, what's going on everybody? Paul Tech here, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the BLU G9. Now, you probably woke up this morning if you own this device and noticed that it restarted in the middle of the night. Now, you might be concerned and thinking something's wrong with my device now. It's just randomly restarting, and you are probably concerned. There's nothing to worry about. What happened last night was a security patch, an over-the-air security patch that rolled out to the BLU G9 devices, which is actually a really good thing. Now, BLU was not always known for having the most secure and up-to-date phones in the past, but BLU has definitely made some changes, and they are going in a step in the right direction, especially when it comes to rolling out these over-the-air security patch updates, keeping our devices nice, safe, and secure. As you know, we have a lot of data stored in our phones, credit cards, a lot of information, and we want to keep that secure. So as you can see, the update rolled out about 12:15 a.m. midnight, and this is the September 5th, 2019 security patch. So this is, like I said, it's a really good thing. I love the fact that BLU is rolling out these updates and, like I said, keeping our devices safe. Now, these security patches definitely fix and improve security vulnerabilities, and they provide bug fixes, and they patch all these little small holes within our Android operating system. Yeah, so basically these security patch updates are aimed to improve the overall user experience. Now, as you can see in blue writing right there, it does say September 5th, 2019 security patch, and we still are on Android version 9. Now, if you want some more information regarding security patch updates, you can go ahead and click on the date in blue right there, and then that will go ahead and give you some more information. You can go ahead and scroll and read up more about this. But I think it's kind of interesting that we don't see more videos and more reviews on how important the security patches are and keeping your device safe on YouTube. We tend to see a lot of videos on just the performance, the features, the gimmicks, the cameras, but we don't hear a lot of talk about the importance of keeping our devices safe, secure with security patches, protecting us from malware attacks that take advantage of software vulnerabilities, especially in common applications. So like I said, this is a good thing, and it's good to see BLU is rolling out these security patch updates. So if you enjoyed this video, found it helpful, informative in any way possible, please hit that thumbs up button, and please subscribe to the channel for more future videos. This is Paul Tech, and I will talk to you in the next one. Bye.